but someone else is selling it, so I can't. If you have ever had a business idea or a product idea, but you see everybody else selling it, so you decide, well, there's too much competition out there, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna solve that for you in this video. My name is Dan Henry. I made $30 million with my online business, and I make videos sharing what I learned along the way. Remember, if a bunch of people out there are doing what you wanna do, that means there's a market for it. That means people are buying it. Where you really have to be worried is if no one is doing it. Because if no one is doing it, then you're literally going into this idea blind, with no market data, with no proven concept. And that's far more risky than going into a market where people are already buying a product. Now here is why it's okay even if you think it's saturated. People buy from people like them. There are so many people on this world that are so unique, and those people have the same types of problems, but they like to buy from people that look like them, act like them, talk like them. Bottom line is, if you're black, most of the time, black people are gonna buy from you. If you're a woman, women are gonna buy from you. If you're a goth chick, goth chicks are gonna buy from you. If you're a rocker dude, rocker dudes are gonna buy from you. If you're a gym bro, gym bros are gonna buy from you. Because people relate to people like them. They like to buy from people like them. So let's say you were selling an online course talking about how to get on podcasts. If there's a bunch of customers out there that wanna get on podcasts, and some of them are female, some of them are white, some of them are black, some of them have glasses, some of them are bros, or some of them are just quiet introverts. Each one of those people are gonna be far more likely to buy a podcast course from the person like them. So if you sell that same thing, but you put yourself out there, your authentic self, other people that are very similar to you are gonna buy from you before they buy from somebody else, even though if that person's been around longer, even though that person has sold more products, because they relate to you. So right off the bat, even if you're brand new to the market, just by being you, you set yourself apart and you attract people like you that just so happen to have the same problem that everybody else does, that product solves. So get off your butt, make that product, be your authentic self, put yourself out there, and people like you will buy from you. I hope this video got you off your butt and got you started and got rid of that whole, I can't do this because everybody else is doing it, there's too much competition. Get rid of that. If this inspired you to take action, let me know in the comments below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications to get more videos like this. Talk soon.